on Google Maps trying to find directions.
Always.
But instead of finding directions, he found his wife cheating on him.
What are the chances?
Oh, my goodness.
So you know that Google Street View function where you can go around and you can see like physically where you are and you can move the map back and forth. They usually blur someone's face, but there was an uncanny resemblance of a man cuddling with a woman, and he was stroking his hair. But it was one of those.
That looks like my wife.
That looks like my wife.
Amazing.
So,
just from that, just to find that.
Just to
at that
find
moment.
that.
What are the chances?
And he was looking for a bridge,
He was
right?
looking for a bridge, and
Busted.
but the funny thing was, this was taken back in 2013.
Oh.
So of course, confrontation happens, and now there's a divorce in progress. So,
God.
rightfully
What a
so.
way to find out.
Isn't that the worst way to find out?
And she's like,
the double take that would happen as you're scrolling.
Like, what
that
is
looks
that?
What
like,
did I
I
do?
know that outfit, I know that person, and
I know
then
that walkway.
You have some explaining to do. So that's the thing. You never know what they're going to film when capturing the streets or even homes. You've heard of stories where people decide to be like in their birthday suit, and then they shoot the pictures of the street view.
But this isn't the first time this happened. So, of course, there have been other bizarre images that have been captured in Tokyo. People dressed as pigeons, an escaped convict running down the road. So if you take a look on Google Maps and the Street View, you'll find some pretty interesting things.
Yeah, there are people that kind of plan as well as you can and do photo bombs.
They should warn you, though. They should warn you when they're doing any surveillance of your homes or your streets.
It's public space, and they do blur your.
But they blur everything
face
out.
Okay.
Yeah.
They blur license
Didn't
plates, all
work
that
that
stuff
time.
how they're supposed to.
You saw through that blur.
Let's head upstairs to Mel. Mel.